Up next at SCI-Arc, please join Andrew Zago for a discussion of his recent work. Zago, AIA, is principal of Zago Architecture and teaches at SCI-Arc. From 2003 to 2007, he was the founding director of the Master of Architecture program at the City College of New York. He is also a clinical professor at the University of Illinois at Chicago. Zago is a fellow of the American Academy in Rome. He is a recipient of awards from the American Academy of Arts and Letters and the United States Artists Organization. Notable projects include the downtown Los Angeles offices of Arup, the Museum of Contemporary Art, Detroit, and a design studio facility for Cornell University's Sibley School of Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering. Join us for the lecture in the Cappy Library or stream online at sciarc.edu.